Hi everybody, it's Jen, and I am here with an ASC design team haul. I am coming to you today from the floor of my apartment because I still haven't figured out my desk situation. But I have some different stuff today, so I'm pretty excited. If you haven't seen my house project, I'll put it up here. This stuff is, some of this stuff is for that. So I got these little birdie handmade flowers. And I thought those are probably a really good size for this house. Head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy or ASC Craft Supplies. Use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your order. So there's some flowers. I got a lot of flowers, so I thought these were super cute. I don't know if you can see them. They are like colored flowers. So let me pull one apart from the stem so you can see it. Look at that. I thought that was so cute. I seen somebody online do a Candyland house. I thought it was so neat. Here are some roses, and these are the 10mm ones, I think. I got cream, I got pink. I got another pink. I don't know which one's which, but I got two pinks, or maybe this one's a lilac and this one's a pink. I got those same colored flowers, but in pastel. I got the red roses and the purple little flowers like these, or lilac, or whatever you call them. And then these are a bit bigger, but they are neat. They're blue tulips, and I think these were maybe 12, but I'm not sure. But the smaller ones, you'll see what they are. Then I got this Prima mold. So I thought that this mold would be really good for like the parts of on the house, like to add decoration. So I did some on the house that I linked before, and it's a 5x8 mold. And you can use silicone, you can use clay, you can use chocolate, you can use all sorts of things. I wouldn't recommend putting chocolate on your regular house. I got some of my favorite paint. This is the Fresco Finish Opaque paint, and it has a lot of pigment in it, and it is this really nice pink color. And then I also got a pink, or it's called Sweet Rose Metallic Wax. And then Crystal just got in a lot of these Ideology Tim Holtz goodies, so I can't wait till the Tim Holtz stuff starts coming in, because I am a Tim Holtz fan. Then I got some backgrounds, and well, it's just called Background Selection from the Rose Perfume, or Parfum, but you can see why. It just looks like wallpaper to me. And then I had so much fun with the card kit that I made in this video up here with the Cosmos Infinity collection, that I got this little slimline waterfall card, and I want to try that. So I think this one's the ones that you pull down and it flips up. I did a similar one for my daughter's Christmas card one year, or Christmas cards to other people. And then I just got a couple of rice papers. I got the same two. It's this really nice floral. I don't know what it's called. It is from the ITD collection, so there is a huge selection of rice paper. hundreds and hundreds of different kinds. So head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy. Be sure to look at the rice paper selection if you are into decoupaging. Grab all your goodies, including your flowers. Use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your regular price purchase, and we'll see you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.